Hi everyone. So the question I'm going to ask you today is, if you've got Homelink fitted to your car and it can open your gates and it can open your garage, can you say reverse wise, can you say to the car, where is the car? And Homelink will actually tell you where your car is in a parking lot or in a car park. And I'm going to show you right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hello, I'm over here.
It's new, it's improved, it's a Mal modification.
Hi everyone, so if this is your first time, hi, how are you? You can enjoy my videos, and if you would like, please subscribe. That will keep my channel going and get more content coming out when it arrives for you to see. The question I asked you is, can you, with the Homelink connected, say by Siri or from the app on your phone, can you say, where's my car? And the car will tell you where you are. So this is what you need to make this work. I've added a little circuit in my car that I made up. When someone's coming up near the car, sort of pedestrian, and you're coming close to them, to warn them, rather than honk your horn, which isn't nice and not good, you just do this.
Hello, I'm over here. Hello, I'm over here.
Now, that's the interesting bit. Because the car now talks and it says, hello, I'm over here, with Homelink, you can actually do this. How do you do that, Mal? Is the good question. I can tell you. Well, firstly, the answer is on Homelink, you have, let me show you. Right, for those that don't know, Homelink is a very clever little gadget. You can get Tesla to fit it on. I was fortunate that when I got the car, it was part of the package. So Homelink, when they add it to the car, and it has to be done by Tesla, you can't actually add the facility yourself, you'll see here there's a little green house. And the reason it's green at the moment is I'm in the location where the gates or the garage door is, and so it knows that it's there. When it's not in that location, it'll be white. So at the moment, if I hit it, select it, it will show me that I've got the lodge, which is the gates, I've got the pedestrian, and I've got I'm over here. And if I hit the I'm over here,
Hello, I'm over here. Hello, I'm over here. Hello, I'm over here. Hello, I'm over here. Hello, I'm
it will go on for the set time that I've set it. So basically now I can, using the app or using Siri, it will activate that particular point for me. Once you have the little icon here, you got down the bottom here, it says Homelink settings. You go into Homelink settings, and this is quite new now. Can you see where it says reset location? Well, this is the key now, because you can reset the location for any one of the units, which in most times are not going to be useful, because you're not going to reset your garage, you're not going to reset your gates. But what I've done for the I'm over here, I've added a circuit that will actually fit in the car. It's in the trunk and it's away, so you can't actually get to it, and it's this unit here, and it looks like this. It's got a circuit board and it's got this, and you get that from Chamberlain, which is part of Homelink, and the unit cost about £69 to buy this unit. Now normally you screw it on the wall like so here, and that's fixed in a position. In this case, what I decided to do, and I'm a bit of a designer, so it was no problem for me to actually work this out. If I took that unit and installed it into the car and fed it into the 12-volt system, this is what would happen. Now, I know what you're going to ask me. Ask me now. How does the one button Tesla know that it's your garage doors or your gates, or in fact, I'm over here? How does it know which one to select? Well, the interesting thing is that you can pick which one you want it to select. Because I asked Elon, and it hasn't come out yet, and I wish everybody would get together who's got Homelink to get to Elon and say, we really would like it on the actual app, that you've got a little drop down menu and then you can select which one you want it to go to, which would be brilliant. But we haven't got that, so the way to find it is not in the Homelink menu, it's actually in the Summon menu, which, believe it or not, is a funny place for it to be. So if we look now, you'll see, you'd expect it to be in the Homelink settings, right? But it isn't. So forget those. Press in the normal menus, go into autopilot, scroll down so you get to custom summon, and look, there it is. So when you select any one of these buttons, it will do the very same thing that you want it to. So if I press the lodge there, go back to the house, select the lodge, it will now open the gates. How I discovered it was this Mito remote, and you'll see the information. I'm going to put it up on the next video because I'll show you how to program it. The Mito remote wouldn't work, and I got in touch with Tesla originally and said to them, I've got a problem, and they said, I'll get in touch with Chamberlain or Homelink. So I got in touch with them and they said, yeah, we do a module. This little module here, £69, we'll send it to you. It's a 2-channel remote, and you won't need the other remote, and you're learning with a Tesla, and Tesla will work alongside it. So I put it in place, and it opened the gates, as you saw, brilliantly. And I thought, well, you know what? If this unit's portable, why can't I put this inside the car? So I put it in the car, wired it up, tuned it in, and it was all there. And what I didn't realise, I set it up, and it was all, the green light was there, and it was great. Obviously, what you don't realise is that unit's got Geo Positioning, which means that it knows exactly where it is on the maps of Google. It knows itself. So obviously, if you drive along with that somewhere else, it'll move from that location. So what happened, it was set up, I went off to test it 6 months ago, and it didn't work. It worked in that location. When I went to try it elsewhere, I thought wherever the car was, I'd be able to press the button and I'd have it. It doesn't work like that. It works in the location that you program it in. So if I'm at a car park and I say, this is the location I want, when I drive away 80 feet from that car park, it's gone. And then only when I come back to that car park, it will know. But the event now, what's happened, which is the great thing, I'm telling you, I was so amazed, in the next couple of updates, they added this reset your location, which means that you can now go to any car park, press the reset button, it will lock it in at that coordinates, which for the time you're there, the green house will be on. Now, whenever you use your, hey Siri, where am I?
Okay. Done. Homelink triggered.
Hello? I'm over here. Hello? I'm over here. Hello? I'm over here. Hello? I'm over here. Hello? I'm
When you've pressed the remote button of the Tesla app, you go into the Tesla, you look down for controls, there they are, and then you've got your Homelink. You press it, you get a warning, are you sure? So you say yes. That's 1,
over here.
that's 2,
I'm over here.
that's 3,
I'm over here. Hello? I'm over here.
that's 4.
Hello?
So 4.5, which is quite good, because that's quite enough time for you not to draw too much attention to the car, but enough time for you to start looking for where the sound's coming from and find it. If you press the horn on the app and ask to find it, because you can do that as well, you can flash the lights and press the horn. But that's all you're going to get, is one little beep, which, you know, you're going to have to keep pressing the app as you're walking. And that makes that so easy. Another reason why adding accessories to our Teslas makes this ultimate car that is the Rolls Royce of all EVs. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.